Ito, 40mm B-Force was the most widely used anti-aircraft gun of the Second World War. Both Allied and Axis powers used licensed, built, and captured guns of this type. This one naman, 12.2mm light field howitzer, France. This artillery piece was introduced in 1909 and was used during World War I. Wow! The 12.2mm gun has a range of 7,500 meters maximum. Okay, this one is the memorial. Philippines, South Korea Memorial, Korean War Memorial. This one is a tank. M41 Walker Bulldog light tank designed for armed reconnaissance mission. It was developed to replace the M24 Chaffee light tank and was designed to be as light as possible for its particular tank classification. It was used by the Tank Battalion, 1st Infantry Division, Philippine Army, and the Philippine Army Light Armored Regiment.
Sige na po, magpukalan na kayo. Golden lang.
Okay. This one is also a tank. Ah, hindi. It's not a tank. Mabibingi ka talaga dito, no? Pag dito ka, no? Sa loob. Kaya yung mga tinatamaan, nabibingi sila eh. This one naman, ano to? Walang pangalan. Ah, meron. Ito. Masarap. FB-104 Samaritan Armored Ambulance Vehicle. Ah, okay. It's a ambulance vehicle. And then this one, is a Armored Infantry Fighting Vehicle. Armored Infantry Fighting Vehicle is an improved version of the M113. It has a hull with aluminum armor, but incorporates a large amount of space armor applique with extra aluminum panels filled by polyurethane foam. This was used by the Philippine Army Light Armored Regiment up to the present Armored Division, Philippine Army. Okay, nakapunta na ako dito. Hindi ko lang, medyo hindi pa ako vlogger nun. So ito, yan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Philippine Military Academy sa loob. Akala namin naligaw na kami. Ayun. Okay, hanggang sa muli, babush!